Christopher Reynolds, Chris J. God. She tags, she thinks she's the best. She thinks she's the best, she thinks she's next. She's the caller, she's the ex. She said to me, she's the ex. She's texting all these guys. She's chasing celebrities, assholes. She said she just got done fucking every card. Her man, she with this David man. David said they were trying to get a stain in the end up with the baby explain. They don't understand the feds involved. That bitch thinks she has it on the roll, on the ball. She likes dicks and she likes texts. I like checks. Fuck all my ex. Yeah. Bitch is retard. She falls when her mama calls. Her mama loves her. She said, oh, I love you, Georgia. Georgia doesn't stand shit. She only knows what the fuck I do. She Nazi. She prays me. She wants to call me baby this, baby all, baby this, baby all, baby all. Keep it, baby me. I love it. The drama and the problem. I said, bitch, I didn't know. I said, all these hoes are overrated. I'm like, who's next? You're fucking with all these guys in their texts. Call them up, this a fuck. I'm fucking with my check, ho. Get off my back and I ain't so. You think you're the best. You talk shit about me when I'm not around. You talk shit about me when I'm around. You put me down. You act like a little clown in the Okie family town. MacArthur, I'd rather stay further away from you, ho. And you think you fucking on my checks. You think you're gonna plug, retard, fucking a retard. Dick star, dick hard, and you love me, and you fuck my dick, and you do it again, and you pick. You think you can replace me, ho, with all these guys you're texting, so you think you replace me, ho, with all the guys you're texting, ho, you're dead wrong, ho. Then you treat me like shit, hit the wall, then you call me out, then you cuss me out, think you're hard. There's enough jokes, ho, you're a tough girl, you're lying in the skies, you're street no love. You think you're street love, you think you everything, you think you kept it real, you kept it a house deal, and so feel. Everyone knows the fucking truth. You had a retard shoot me, like the Wayne said, and then you called my female bitch, cause you got misery, and you wasn't finished out, cause love you, so you got suicide, you dialed 911 on me, exposed me my magic and how I got locked up. And you fucked that retard shot me. Welcome to the funeral, Lil Wayne said. Yeah, retard fucked me. The retard you fucked, you said you claimed you love David May. The next thing that David May shot me for my money. The next thing you know, how you fucked that retard. The retard bought you a gun, made you a retard. You know, both in prison for the rest of your life. No bail, go sell. You're both, and you are a sellout, ho. Shut the fuck up, ho. Let me do my thing. Let me do my job. You slug ass cheese. Slug fucking. Dick catching little bug. Stop fucking with my thug shit. Stop fucking with my love shit. Stop fucking with my rap shit. Stop fucking with my live shit. Stop fucking with my money shit. Stop fucking and feed me this bullshit. Puppy love lies. People feeding other guys your own story and lies. And go cry to the next man, ho. Feeding them another fucking story, ho. You're just a drinking that problem alcoholic. Bitch ass, ho. I would've made this song about you if you wouldn't fuck with me first. Pissed off, Rick off, loco, you're some psycho. Your mom, you get that fucking hatred shit from your mom. You both don't like guys, and you guys both blame people in your problems. And next thing you know, you guys and your mom and you don't like nobody. That's why you're alone, ho. Don't you get it? Alcohol's leading you some zone, dough. Bitch. Chris J. What waste of time. 6 years down the drain, ho. That's how it goes to the ex-child, you know. And Sarah was better than you, ho.